Introducing Braeon, the next step in material evolution. A pure polymer ribbon. The lightest, strongest, most adaptable material that has ever been invented. One single ribbon resists over 2,500 pounds of pull strength. Dare to go farther. Dare to pull harder. Strong as steel. Thin as paper. Easy to use. Unlimited possibilities. Three rivets, weighing 1/10 of an ounce total, are capable of towing a 5,000-pound truck up a 30-degree grade. When in contact with itself under heat, it forms a single homogeneous structure when cooled, totally resistant to cold, abrasion, puncture, moisture, and chemicals. Flexible, formable, reformable. Can be form-fitted into medical and athletic protection. Bite splints and mouth guards. Toe caps and safety guards. Can be shaped into a myriad of custom grips and handles. And a whole bunch of everything that has yet to be seen. $110 unlimited solutions. How will you use Braeon? Braeon.